Story 3. An intelligent youth possessed an abundant share of accomplishments and discreet behavior, so that he was allowed to sit in assemblies of learned men, but he refrained from conversing with them. His father once asked him why he did not likewise speak on subjects he was acquainted with. He replied, "I fear I may be asked what I do not know, and be put to shame." Well, a person can always humbly reply, well, I can see about figuring out what the answer to that is, or I don't know. Most things anybody could be asked, I don't know. Hast thou heard how a Sufi drove a few nails under his sandals, and an officer, taking him by the sleeve, said to him, "Come and shoe my horse. For what thou hast not said, no one will trouble thee, but when thou hast spoken, bring the proof." And part of the reason why I do some of my hadith series and Quran series and stuff like this is, and some other scripture series and stuff like this, is to point out what's the proof, where's the connections with some of these things, numerology, various other things. Where are the connections coming from, instead of just, oh, I'm a medium and all that stuff. Most of those people aren't, they just, they're trained in one way or another, rather than just receiving information and passing on.